Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to set passcode on Telegram Messenger. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to do it? So open your Telegram app and tap on this three line icon to the top left corner and tap on settings and tap on privacy and security. Tap on Passcode Lock and tap on enable passcode and enter here a 4-digit code and re-enter the code here, and you can set auto lock time. Also you can select show content on taskbar. So that's how you can do it. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to how to do it. Thank you for watching.